Sudade don't come again. Sudade. Wisdom plenty for your head. Sudade. If you know like I'm close your ear. Sudade. But I bet you go here. Sudade.
This is lovely. You
Very,
like
very nice. Like, it's so cute. Thank you.
you just sit down. I've paid for 3 tables.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Wow.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
It is an exclusive outing.
Wow.
From this table, we come here. From this table, we go there.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Don't mention. Don't mention.
70 years old man.
Cheers. Oh my god, this is beautiful.
Trouble they sleep so that they go with some man. So that they don't enter.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh. Wow.
Enjoy your meal. This is starters.
This is so nice.
This is beautiful.
Thank you.
Cheers. Enjoy, my dear. I'll give you a treat that no man has ever given you in this life.
Run, no. Run,
Don't know
no.
me.
I know you now. What are you doing here? Where's my car key?
I've not finished the car. I've not finished.
I'm still working on it.
Wake up, your customer don't come, wake up. Stand up.
Stand up.
Come. Come help me check my motor. The hair won't sound for my engine. Come help me look at sharp.
Sudade don't come again.
You don't see your customer?
Wisdom plenty for your head.
Where is the wrong go now? What's happen?
If you know like I'm close your ear. Sudade. But I bet you go